In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Jobber with QuickBooks Online. Syncing these two powerful tools can make managing your business finances so much easier. So, let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and search for Jobber. This search will take you to Jobber's main page, where you can either log in or sign up if you don't already have an account. If you're new to Jobber, the sign-up process is straightforward, requiring some basic details about you and your business. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Jobber dashboard. Look for the Apps section. It's usually located in the main menu or toolbar, depending on the version you're using. This section is a hub for integrating Jobber with other applications. Now, scroll through the selection of apps until you find QuickBooks Online. Click on it to open the integration options. Next, you'll see a Connect button. Go ahead and click that. This step will initiate the connection process between Jobber and QuickBooks Online. You'll be prompted to log into your QuickBooks Online account, so make sure you have your credentials handy. Why is this necessary? Well, authorizing the connection ensures that both platforms can securely communicate with each other, safeguarding your financial data. Once you're logged into QuickBooks, you'll need to follow the on-screen prompts to continue with the setup. Pay close attention to these instructions as they often contain important details regarding what data will be shared between the two platforms. The real benefit of this sync is that it can automatically transfer invoices and payments, keeping your accounting records up to date without manual entry. After you've gone through the prompts, you'll be asked to approve certain permissions. These permissions allow Jobber and QuickBooks to share information like customer details, invoices, and payment data. This step is crucial for ensuring that all relevant data flows seamlessly between the two applications. And there you have it. Your Jobber is now synced with QuickBooks Online. With this integration, your bookkeeping becomes more streamlined, allowing you to focus more on running your business and less on financial admin. Remember, whenever you create or update invoices in Jobber, these changes will automatically reflect in QuickBooks, thanks to the power of sync. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you stay organized and efficient. Stay tuned for more how-tos and tips to help simplify your business processes. Have a great day.